Hi, I'm Vicki and welcome to my Yoga 4-Man channel. Today we're going to practice 6 Pilates exercises for keeping your balance and strength as you get older. It's a unilateral movement that will help you train both sides of your body, those muscles. And this is according to American Council on Exercise. So this is going to help you correct muscle imbalances you may have, improve your balance, and help with proper core engagement. That may even help prevent falls. So the 6 that we're going to do is single leg bridge, runner's lunge, pointer dog, and supported side plank. Now, if you feel comfortable through those poses or exercises, then try the tree pose at the very end. Make sure that you have a chair or you're next to a wall, and always check with your doctor first. So thank you so much for joining, and I hope you enjoy this practice. And just kind of slide the shoulder blades down and away and walk your feet towards your hips. So coming into bridging, and this is awesome for your back, but we'll warm up the spine and then we'll get into a balancing bridge. So you're going to take your inhale. As you exhale, you draw the navel to the spine and press down through the feet as you lift the hips up. Feel your body weight roll a little bit more towards the top of your shoulders. Holding right here. Let's stretch the upper back. So float the arms up and over the top of your head. Let the arms relax. Let's bring the arms back to that sleepwalk position. And now let's roll down. Slowly move. Try to keep the belly really firm as you roll through the mid-back and all the way down to the tailbone. Float the ends back down to the floor. So palms resting, arms relaxed. But we're going to try to go with a straight leg. So you're going to take an inhale. Exhale, draw the belly in. Press down into the feet as you lift the hips up. Take that right knee up, stabilize. Send the right leg up towards the ceiling. Get a nice little stretch. Now, if you want to flex, you can, or point. Good. Go ahead and flex and bend the knee. Bring the foot back down to the mat. Hold the hips. Take an inhale. Exhale. And slowly roll down. And that should feel really good, that roll down, especially in any tight spots in the back. So last time, take an inhale. Exhale, belly is engaged. You're drawing to the mid-back. Tailbone is lifting, chin to the chest. Bring your weight into your right foot. Left knee comes up. Now send that left leg up. You can flex and point. Maybe flex again that foot, bend the knee, bring the foot back down to the floor. Wow, keep those hips really strong. Take an inhale, exhale, and slowly roll down. Take your time. Good, take one knee into your chest and the other. Hug yourself. Good, stretch out that low back. If you want to, just do a free form rocking side to side, or you can do a little knee circle, just getting, movement in that low back. Sometimes that back gets tight, and we're just getting fluids also into that area. So when you're moving, you're rolling through muscle, getting blood flowing here. And let's go ahead and reverse. Good, that feels really good. And now just pause. Now we're going to take the feet down to the floor. And we're going to roll to our side. It's more fun. So balancing can be a little challenging, but it can also be fun. And it really requires your focus. So very good. Let's come onto your knees. Nice job. So here we're going to go into trunk stabilization. So this is really core. The core is going to support this, but it also gives us a chance to balance in our trunk stabilization and create more stability. So you're going to send, you're going to flex your feet. So hands and wrists underneath your shoulders. Send your right leg out. And then lift that leg up. So make sure you're engaging into the buttocks. You're pulling the core in and reach the left arm out. Pause here for a breath and then release both your hand and your knee. So let's send the left leg out, push out through that heel. So straighten out the left leg, ground the right toes to the floor, press into the palm of the hand, lift that left leg up, pull the belly in, and reach the right arm. So here's our balancing right here. Stay focused. The core really has to be strong to stabilize our table. Take another full breath and then release your hand, your knee down. So let's just kind of move with this with our breath. You're going to inhale in this table position. As you exhale, you're going to send your right leg, left arm, and then reach, and then release. Take an inhale. Exhale, reach, left leg, right arm. And now release. Take a deep breath. Exhale, reach. Inhale, release. Exhale, reach. Inhale, release. Get a nice flowing rhythm with your breath. And now release. Good. 4 more. Left leg, right arm, reach. Inhale, release. Opposite side. Good. 2 more times. Take an inhale, exhale, reach. And last one right here. And now reach. And then go ahead and release. Very good. So we're going to come into a low lunge. So you're going to slide your right foot forward and sink into that left hip flexor. So my hands are framing my right foot. Really feel the right foot grounding. So pressing down as you push your torso up. So coming up here. So this is really a nice way to create balance and stability. Bring the hands to the heart. Really build strength in the lower body. So we're really now using the legs, the hips, the back here for our balancing. Bring the hands to namaste, the thumbs maybe to your heart. And just see if you're moving, if you're waving a little bit. Draw the navel into the spine, maybe reaching those arms up over your head. Arms can release, maybe a nice V shape here as you lift your sternum. And working some of the back muscles, the glutes. Take another full breath and release that hand down. Good. And then we're going to slide that right foot back. So moving into a child's pose, just take a little stretch here, drawing your hips back, forehead comes down. Just take a few cleansing breaths. Then as you come forward, slide your left foot between your hands, lower down into that right hip flexor. Just pause there for a moment. Maybe grounding the hands, spreading the toes on that left foot. And so we want to sink for a moment. Take one more full breath now. As you push down into that left foot, you lift your torso up. Get that knee over the ankle. Lift your heart. And bring your hands to namaste. And now remember our focus. We have to really stay focused. We realize we bring ourselves internally just to see how we're feeling here. We're engaging, but we're lifting and creating space. And then we reach the arms up, soften those shoulders down. So we're not really crunching up to those ears. And then find your drishti, find your focus. Good. Take another cleansing breath. Float the hands back down. Very good. Come back into your low lunge, sinking into your hips. Good. Slide that left foot back. And keep the right leg straight. You're going to kickstand and come into a modified side plank pose. So I'm rotating, I'm getting my wrist directly underneath my shoulder. I'm facing the screen. My hand is on my hip and my foot is grounded. I'm going to reach the arm up. And now know that we're balancing here when we pick that leg up and come into our modified side plank pose, our half moon pose. And we will come to a half moon today. So this is a good practice right here. Take another full breath. Release your hand and your foot down. Come back to your table position. It's coming down, but you're going to straighten out the left leg. Turn to the opposite side of your mat into our modified side plank pose. I'm kickstanding my foot, reaching that arm, opening the shoulder and the chest towards the ceiling. Now when we want to focus on balance, and this balance is really coming from the obliques and the abdominals, we're going to pick that leg up and just hold. Really feel what's engaging, what's working, what's opening the heart. Take another full breath. Good. Bring that knee and that hand back down to your table position. Last time here for our down dog, you're going to push your hips back and all the way up, but not holding it for very long. We're going to keep the knees super soft, and we're going to walk our hands and our feet together. Very gentle forward fold. Now let's do a spinal roll up. So ground the feet and start to slowly roll up, tucking the tailbone down, pulling the belly in, and knees are soft as you roll up. And we're going to stand tall in mountain pose, Tadasana. Very good. So let's come into a balancing pose. We'll come into tree. So tree, I like to come into a soft knee. So we're going to just bend the knees slightly. I want you to lift up through your heart. Maybe bringing the hands to namaste. Bring your weight into your right foot and rotate your left knee out. Now, if your balance is feeling off tonight, go ahead and go over to a wall and bring your hand up against the wall. Stand at least shoulder distance away from the wall. And you're going to slide that foot up. So either be below the kneecap or above the kneecap. So you can grab the foot if you wish and press it into the inner thigh. Good job. Reach the arms up into a V. Take another full breath. Bring the hands together. Beautiful job. And bring your hands to your heart. Nice. And then let's go ahead and bring that foot down. Good work. So let's try the other side. Let's see how we do. Bend the knees. Draw into the strength of your core. All right. We're going to turn the right knee out. So I'm still balancing. I'm still doing tree pose. I've got my knee rotated out. I've got my toes grounded to the earth. I'm going to lift through my heart and the top of my head. Take another full breath. Slide the foot maybe below that knee. or above the knee. Or maybe I'm going to keep it on the floor. So it's natural for that foot to wobble around. And just give it a little time to settle in. If we fall out, then we come back. We're going to grab that foot, press into the inner thigh. And when you feel ready, you're going to reach the arms up. Beautiful, good job. Nice work. Take another full breath. Bring the hands over the top of the head. Maybe a little more challenge there for you. And now bring the hands to the heart center. Good. And we'll bring that foot down. Grab it and come to the floor. Bowing your chin. The light in me salutes that light and that divine in you. And together we say, Namaste. And if you like it, please click the like button or share it, or, please subscribe. That would be great. All right. Thank you for sharing and joining me today.